Hey folks, Vic here, and I just thought I'd make a real quick tutorial video here on how to draw really good support resistance lines, because I've had questions, how do you know where to draw them and which levels to choose. So when we do our top-down analysis, and Darko does this for our Coaches Corner members all the time, and so we can start. You can start by getting getting a monthly bias off the monthly chart. To make it easy, like how do you know if you should draw a line here or down here, or where should you draw support? Well, the really easy way to do it is put a line chart on your chart like this. Change it to a line chart. This is the closing price of the candles. That's what it shows. And they are very significant. This was back in 2016. Okay, do you think that's a significant level? It definitely is. Like, look what happened. Price came off of it. Now, we don't know what's going to happen. It turns to it, do we? All we know is that we're going to watch it and see if there's a reason to start, developing a bias to the long side. By the way, before I leave this, just look how price came down here, and when it broke it, it went back above it and touched it here and touched it here before finally breaking. It's just amazing how these work. If I turn this back to a candle chart, you can see all of that in here. How this became tremendous support and then broke it. And look at this candle action reacting off of here, right? Just by watching this level. Now, we go down to our weekly chart, and our weekly chart, we do the same thing. You can put a candlestick, probably a line chart on here, and again, like this is a really significant level. This is back from 2017, back in April of 2017. Price broke below it. We hit, look at this level back. We knew about this like a long time ago. That's that same monthly level. And look at this, comes up, and now we're watching this level in here. Let's put our candlestick chart back on. And you can see a great level, and it hesitated. Actually, if I blow this up a little bit here, see how we hit the line here initially? There was probably some good trades in here, day trades to the long side. Okay, finally it breaks down, comes back up, and we're very, very close to it again now. So how do we get a trade out of this? Well, we know where these higher time frame levels are, and that's really important. So we go down to our daily chart, and this is how we set up a day trade. And if I do the same thing, put a line chart on, which ones are significant? This is a significant low. I mean, look at this. This lasted for a long time. This was from January of this year. Comes all the way down. Look at how it bounced around here. Even though we're in a steep downtrend, this held up price. Finally, it caved in. Price went below this level, came back and retested it, broke this level, right? Came back and retested. I'm sorry, I don't ignore that last comment, because we didn't know this until this point was made. Then this is a significant point. Let me show you this now on a candle chart. So we put a candle chart on. So here it is. This level we knew about. Okay, so this creates some possible buying opportunities in here. It breaks it, and then breaks it again and retests it and so on. But this is drawn because look at what happened when price. From when price closed here, it came down extremely sharply. That's a significant level, and we've hit it and bounced around in here. We don't know what's going to happen. The beauty of what we do is we don't take trades just because we're at a level of support or resistance. We let price show us. Price tells you all the time. You don't have to guess. There's nothing bearish in here on anything. We're not doing anything yet. This level up here, I'll just make it thick. This level is the one that we saw on the weekly chart. Do you think that's a good level? Look at the support. It breaks it. It's resistance. If it comes back up in here and we have appropriate candle action, then we'll go down to our hourly chart and we'll look for a suitable trade that gives us a low risk and a high reward trading opportunity. So I hope that little tutorial on just using line charts to pick out the significant levels is helpful for you. It'll make a big difference in your trading, and it'll really help you do it. When you're more experienced, you'll be able to see these levels without a line chart. But this is a great way to show those proper levels to you. And like I say, Darko does this every single day in his pre-market analysis video. Okay, I'll leave it at that. If you like this video, I'd sure appreciate it if you hit a like on that. Follow us, then you can get more of these kind of videos when I put them out. And yeah, that'd be. Oh, by the way, leave a comment too. Let me know if you like this kind of analysis or you don't like it. That's okay too. And we'd be really grateful for any comments. Thanks so much.